Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today's video is going to be a fun makeup tutorial for you guys. I always take inspiration from Pinterest. Whenever I am there, I just get inspired so much. That's the reason I love Pinterest. I have one picture which is actually from Pinterest. This is kind of a very retro style editorial makeup look with a pastel blue eyeshadow. I am not going to recreate this exact same look, just want to do something pastel, like a pastel makeup tutorial, which is like so trendy now. Pastel makeup look is a trend in 2020. I don't have any idea what I am going to recreate. Yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so first I am going to use this moisturizer from Pond. This one is the super light gel moisturizer which contains hyaluronic acid, and this is, I think, one of my favorite moisturizers. This moisturizer is so beautiful. I just love it. Moisturizer is not at all thick, it's not at all heavy, and it's so good, especially for summer. I'm gonna do my top 5 favorite moisturizer for summers. If you want something like this, do let me know. Obsessed with my nails. Today we are obviously going to do some kind of DIY because I don't have any cream eyeshadow, so we are gonna do a little bit of DIY. First I am going to use my Faces Canada concealer just for my eyeshadow. DIY pastel color, I am gonna take this old palette from, I think this one is from Swiss Beauty, I don't even remember. This is totally useless now, so I am gonna use this color. I am really confused whether I should use the pink one or the yellow one or this shade right here. I am going to use the purple one, no, the pink one, blue, green, I think. Okay, the pink one. This, just do my DIY. I'm gonna do my DIY right over here. I'm gonna mix this shade and I'm gonna mix this shade as well, and I'm gonna swatch this and I'm gonna see which one I am actually going to use. Bring out the shadow a little bit. I am going to use it right over here. Scratch this one as well. And I'm just going to mix it with this purple shade, and I am just going to mix this. This is like way too light. I'm going to mix this purple shade, just mixing this up with my brush, and straight away I am just going to use it because I think this is very drying and it will dry up really fast.
Baby, it's 4:30 and my world is I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like
here again,
like day by day.
I should go with this green eyeliner.
Fuck.
So I think I kind of like this. Completely forgot to mention that I was using this particular eyeliner from House of Makeup, and this is their double duty eyeliner. Such a beautiful eyeliner, one of my favorite. This is so creamy, so pigmented. Just literally need one swipe and it's so pigmented. They also have this in blue and green. They also have a gray one, a brown one. So it's like really beautiful. It's not that expensive as well. If you want to purchase it, you can use my code and get some discount, and yeah, you can just purchase this particular product. Not only this particular product, if you want to purchase anything from House of Makeup, their lipstick, nail polish, their kajal, their eyeliner, anything that you want, you can absolutely use my code and you can purchase it. Then I am just gonna use my Maybelline Tattoo Eyeliner.
Know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back.
What my eye makeup is looking so far, I think it's looking pretty good. I have to do my face makeup and then only everything will come together. Absolute favorite L'Oreal Paris foundation stick. This one is in the shade Sand. I just love this foundation. I'm going to use my same concealer from Faces Canada. I'm going to take my Fit Me powder from Maybelline and I am just going to set my concealer well. I just quickly changed my eyelashes. I am just going to do my bronzer and some blush. So for my bronzer, I am going to use my Makeup Revolution palette. Take this pink shade a little bit and I am just going to use it on my lower lash. I just used some pink color on my lower lash line, used some mascara, and that's it. Next step, I'm going to use my Sugar Cosmetics blush in the shade Salmon Superstar. For my highlighter, I am going to use this In Color Miracle highlighter. They sent me so many highlighters, such a beautiful PR package, and I just love this particular highlighter. If you follow me on Instagram, I'm gonna do a swatch video all about this highlighter.
Everyone's lining up to see it. There must be something bad.
For my lips, I am gonna use my Physicians Formula liquid lipstick, and I think this is in the shade Bear With Me. Such a beautiful pinkish, coralish, everyday kind of shade. So yeah guys, this is the finished look. I'm just seriously loving how everything turned out. It's kind of such a fresh makeup look kind of vibe, and the look was really easy. This was not that hard, but still it looks really cool and it looks something creative and new as well. And let me know what you guys think about this look. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching guys. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.